I'm going to ask you though, because we are talking about prompts, that do you have a prompting secret, or what is your first rule? What is your rule or habit when you actually want to create with AI? And can we go with each of you with that question? Do you have a habit?
I'll start with the answer there. Um, One thing I always do when I do open up the AI chat box is I actually welcome it. I do say hello ChatGPT, and I pretty much treat it as if it is a sentient being that I'm actually having a conversation with. That gives it a personalization from me to the thing.